Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lentil pumpkin soup. Start by heating 2 tablespoons oil and sautéing 1 diced onion and 2 cloves garlic until soft. Add 1 cup red lentils, 2 cups pumpkin puree, and 4 cups vegetable broth. Stir in 1 tsp cumin, salt, and pepper, then simmer for about 20 minutes. Blend part of the soup, taste, adjust seasoning, and garnish with herbs before serving. Warm spices and acid transform simple soup into something memorable, so layer flavors gradually. Start with cumin and smoked paprika, taste as you go, and add salt in small increments. Brighten the finished pot with a squeeze of lemon or 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar to lift the pumpkin and lentil notes. For richer texture, stir in 1/2 cup coconut milk or a spoonful of yogurt, then garnish with fresh herbs. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for hands-free timers, step prompts, and setting a cozy cooking playlist while you simmer your soup. It's compact and sounds great, making kitchen tasks easier and more fun. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. This soup makes great leftovers and freezes well, so plan ahead for easy meals. Serve it with crusty bread, a sprinkle of toasted seeds, or a dollop of yogurt for contrast. Let soups cool before refrigerating, then store up to 4 days in airtight containers. For longer storage, freeze in portions for up to 3 months and thaw overnight in the fridge before reheating gently on the stove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.